Hi family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I'm going to show you guys how I season up my goat meat. Curry goat, yes, it's a staple in a Jamaican family, especially at Christmas time. Now my wonderful husband, let me move this back a little bit, we live in Florida, so he took me to a, what do you call it, like a slaughterhouse or something like that on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, to get a whole goat, and they cut it up for us and everything. We pick out our own goat, and we choose our ram goat. Ram goat liver good for make manish water and all of them things. So this is how it looks, nice and fresh. You guys can see, look how beautiful that is. So they cut it up for us, they kill, clean, cut it up and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is, my husband came home and cut them smaller for me like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them up smaller. You can see some of the hairs still on there, like right there. Some of the hair them still on there. So what I'm going to do is cut these in the desired size that I want, clean them up, get them rinsed off and everything. You have some bigger pieces here. I'm just going to run my knife through these. So yeah, I'm showing how I season up my goat meat at the first. Christmas is Friday, today is Tuesday. So pieces like these, like this right here, I don't want to cut them too small, like that. This size should be fine, because when you cook, you don't want it to be too small and smaller than this. And just cut them up like this, or a little bit bigger, not too small and not too big, because it's curry. So I'm gonna finish cut these up, get the meat washed and clean with some vinegar and some lime, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I do my thing. You see it? All right. Okay family, so I cut the meat up and I'm rinsing it off, and yes sir, thank God I'm cleaning it. This is a piece, see this one, I say this is a real goat meat. This piece of the hair from the goat, you see that? That's a real goat meat. So this is how the water look without me even adding any vinegar or lime. I'm just washing the meat off. That's all the gooey stuff, the fat and all of that here. So I'm gonna keep on I'm gonna rinse this water off, wash the meat off, and then fill it back up with some vinegar, wash it off, and then I'll come back and show you guys when I season. What piece of meat and make you go and sit here. Oh family, this is all of the fat that I got off the meat. That's it. That's all of it that I get off. And my husband said it's not a slaughterhouse, it's a farm. Same thing. All right family, so my goat is all washed and clean, looking nice, looking fresh. Some of them look like this, some of them look so, different sizes. You have to make it do what it do. All right, so let's get the seasoning. I have here some garlic powder. Now today is, I think I said it before, today is Tuesday, Thanksgiving. Christmas is Friday, so I'm gonna add some, what's this, garlic powder. I'm not gonna measure everything. It's probably about a teaspoon and a half, because we really want to get the seasoning into this. Okay, we're gonna add some onion powder. Get the seasoning and get everything nice and married together, so when that day come, it's lovely. Some black pepper, and like I said, and in your kitchen you season to your own liking. Okay, your taste buds, your home, you do as you please. Now I'm gonna add some salt, but not that much, because the seasoning is gonna sit on the meat and you don't want it to be too salty. My Jamaican seasoning blend. Talk the things them. All right, and yes, some chicken bouillon. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of this, just for like a flavor, because we have flavor of the thing, right? All right, and I have some scallion here in the fridge. Use this up, emptying out this bin. So that's all the scallion that I have, and I'm going to use that up. And then my thyme. This thyme, I have this thyme now for over about, I want to say about 3 weeks, and they still look fresh because of this container. I love this container. The thyme look fresh, and it also still smell like I just brought it home from the store. Okay, and it's dry and nice. Let's see it. All right, and then my ginger and garlic mixture, guys. Yes, I'm gonna add about this much. This is about a tablespoon, but a little bit less because I didn't fill it all the way up. All right, and then the thing where we set it off, I'm not going to add any curry. As you guys see before on my channel, I do not add curry. I burn my curry and then I add my meat. Okay, so what I am going to do now is a nice piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. See him there? Him deadly. So I'm just gonna do about this much. And one more piece. No seeds, please. No, 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 no. No seeds. We are looking for flavor, but not to be burned. Okay? So I'm going to mix this all up. Nice and beautiful. Now, I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag and put it in my freezer until Thursday night. Right, and Thursday night I take this out for Friday, and I'm going to cook this with some nice white rice. Yes, some vegetable. My husband wants fried chicken, and then the head and everything, the head and the tripe from the goat that we got. We're gonna make some manish water soup. Yes, so see it there, nice and seasoned. Look nice. The meat is soft and oh yes, fresh meat, fresh goat. These are the best goats you can get. If you go to the slaughterhouse or wherever you can get your goat, have them kill and clean it for you. You can't get no better goat than that. So I'll see you guys on Friday. God's willing. God bless. Peace. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Subscribe. Hit that bell notification and also that like button. All right. See you guys.